Empty roads beneath my feet, every dream felt incomplete. Broken echoes called my name, still I walked through every flame. Every scar became a sign, every loss redrew the line. I was falling to the ground till I found my own sound. If the night won't let me breathe, I'll become the light I need. I'll rise again, I won't disappear, built from every doubt, every single fear. No more chains, no looking behind. I'm chasing the fire I was born to fight. Even if the world says never, I'll keep running forever. This is my moment, this is my name. Watch me turn the ashes into flame.